Ever face the Snapchat support code C02A error? It's the dreaded message that reads, "Something went wrong, try again later, support code C02A." It can be quite a nuisance, especially when it prevents you from logging into your Snapchat account. This error code primarily pops up when there's an issue on Snapchat's end. In layman's terms, it's a server-side glitch often caused by an outage within the Snapchat system. First, close the Snapchat app. Check if there are any pending updates for the app. If there are, update the app promptly. Once the update is complete, check to see if the error persists. If your Snapchat app is already up to date, the next step is to restart your smartphone. After your phone powers back on, open Snapchat and check if the error still appears. Let's say the error remains even after a phone restart. At this point, it's essential to ensure your internet connection isn't the problem. Try accessing other apps to confirm your internet is working fine. If your internet connection is stable and the error continues to show up, it's time to uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app. To do this, simply uninstall the Snapchat app, restart your phone, and then reinstall the app from the App Store. After the reinstall, check again for the error. If all these steps fail to resolve the issue, it's likely the error is indeed on Snapchat's end. You can use Down Detector to verify if there's an outage with Snapchat. If there is, the best course of action is to wait a few hours before trying to log into Snapchat again. So to recap, here are the steps to take when faced with the Snapchat support code. C02A error. Close the Snapchat app and update it if updates are available. If the app is up to date, restart your smartphone. Check your internet connection by accessing other apps. If the internet connection is stable, uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app. If the error persists, check Snapchat's server status via Down Detector, and wait a few hours before trying to log in again. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when dealing with tech glitches. Happy snapping! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates, visit queries.com.